The FLEX PXE 80 is the handiest cordless micropolisher in the car detailing world. The PXE 80 offers you 3 different drive units: rotary for paint correction, 3mm orbital for sanding, and 12mm orbital for polishing. What makes the PXE 80 unique is the quick release design. Simply pull back on the spring-loaded collar to remove the current drive unit to swap to a different one. It's fast and easy to switch between functions and no tools are needed. The PXE 80 comes with 3 different backing plates. There's 2 Velcro backing plates, a 1-inch and a 3-inch, for use with different size buffing pads for compounding and polishing on thin panels or in tight areas. There's also a 1-inch adhesive backing plate for machine sanding dirt nibs and other small defects when perfecting paint. You can even machine wax your car the fast, easy way without the hassle of an electric power cord. Go cordless, go flex. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.